Welcome back, dear students, for another lesson, which is lesson 2 in Unit 4. We have a really important subject, which is expressing possibility and indefinite pronouns. There are two subjects. First of all, we are going to talk about expressing possibility, and after that, we are going to talk about indefinite pronouns. Phrases of possibility. What are the phrases of possibility? We have some phrases of possibility that use when we don't know something. For example, when we don't sure about something, we use them. Possibility, a thing that might happen or be the case. Possibility, what's the meaning of possibility? A thing that might happen or be the case. Maybe it is, the first phrase, maybe it is, or it might be, or it could be, or probably. We have 4 phrases of possibility that we use when we don't know much information about something, when we don't know about something about something, so we have to say one of them. Maybe it is, or it might be, it could be, or probably. We use this phrase for expressing possibilities. We use this phrase for expressing possibility. Let's see. For example, it could be a horse. When you see an animal in the distance and we don't know 100% something that is, maybe it is a cow, maybe it is a sheep, maybe it is a goat, but you know that's an animal, but you don't know what the exactly is, so you just guess. So by guessing this, you have to use one of the phrases of possibility. For example, I say it could be a horse, maybe it is something else, but I will make my possibilities, which is it could be a horse. Maybe we will see the film. For example, you will go out with your friend and we don't know what we do, so maybe you will just express your possibility by saying maybe we will see the film. We may know. For example, someone ask you an address for example, a cinema or a theater, and you don't know exactly the address, and you just say we may know. For example, you say I might know the answer. It may be true. It may be true. For example, someone tell you a story about something and you don't know it is right or wrong. You will just make your possibility by saying it may be true and it may be wrong. I probably will see her. I probably will see her. For example, you will travel to another country and you have a friend there, and maybe you see her and maybe not. So if you don't sure 100% that you see her, you will say I probably will see her. So those words in yellow color, they are called phrases of possibility. Indefinite pronouns. What are the indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are those that are not specific, exact, or definite. They are also used when the noun is unknown. Indefinite pronoun, they are used when the noun is unknown. For example, if there is someone, if you don't know exactly, we use who is he or who is she, we use indefinite pronouns. The indefinite pronouns are anyone, someone, anything, something, somebody, nobody, and nothing, and also everyone. So we have indefinite pronouns: anyone, someone, anything, something, somebody, nobody, nothing, and everyone. They are called indefinite pronouns. They are also used when the noun is unknown. Let's see in examples. There is something in the cupboard. Look, which one is the indefinite pronoun? Something. There is something in the cupboard. When the speaker says something, he or she knows there is something in the cupboard, but he or she doesn't know what it exactly is. So he used something. There is something in the cupboard. Maybe it is a fruit, maybe it is food, maybe it is something else, but he or she or the speaker doesn't know what it exactly is. So use indefinite pronoun, which is there is something in the cupboard. There is someone outside the house. You see a man outside the house, but you don't know who he is. So use there is someone outside the house. Or I haven't told anyone. Look, we have anyone. Anyone, it's mean anybody. I haven't told anyone. For example, I haven't told our secret to anyone. I didn't know anything about the question. For example, you have a question, for example, a math question, and when you look at the question, you don't know much any information about it. So use I don't know anything about the question. Everyone knows who stole it. Everyone knows who stole it. Again, we have everyone here, which is an indefinite pronouns. I put my soda down on the table, but somebody moved it. I put my soda down on the table, but somebody moved it. Look here. Someone put his or her soda on the table, but after a while there is no soda, or for example there is no drink, and the speaker said somebody moved it. The speaker doesn't know who stole it or who moved it, so he or she say somebody moved the soda. Does anybody want to go to the park? Does anybody want to go to the park? For example, that is a lovely day, and you say does anybody, it's mean anyone want to go to the park. I am sad because nobody remembered my birthday. I am sad because nobody remembered my birthday, because for example it is my birthday today, and I am sad because nobody remembered my birthday. Nobody here, it's unknown. We don't know who is those nobody. It is just unknown thing. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about it. For example, your friend asks a question to you, and you say I know nothing about this question, or I know nothing about it. Example in test. How those comes in the nationalistic exams. There was dash, Vanessa didn't understand. Which one is correct? There was something or anything or everyone or someone. So again, this subject also depends on meaning of the sentence. You have to know the meaning of the sentence. After that, you know which one is correct. So something, there was something Vanessa didn't understand. You cannot say there was anything or everyone or someone. So you have to be careful about the subjects, which is depend on meaning. Or dash, it happened last night. It happened last night. So which one is correct? Everyone. The burglar didn't take anything else. The burglar didn't take anything else.